is a bear pose. Yes, I am crazy. I've done way too many videos. I'm ready for me to not do any more. Bear pose. Why do we need to do it? It's important for the lower back and lower ab without engaging your upper back. So, Dr. Shaki, your Irvine Chiropractor from Irvine Spine and Wellness Center, and stay tuned. All right, you already got me acting like a pretty pathetic bear, but let's talk about bear pose. I've already done other videos on developmental kinesiology poses, so make sure you watch them. This is a great opportunity for you to subscribe to the channel so you're on top of the game when it comes to these movement exercises. Bear pose is something we did at age 12 months. We all did, you did it, I did it, everyone you can imagine has done it. And we all did it perfectly. Why? Because we were programmed to do it perfectly. So you go from the 4-month quadruped pose with your toes up, or you're going to be on your toes, and you're going to keep everything up here the way I have described in other videos, and you're just not going to be doing your lower back to lift your legs up. You're going to keep the tabletop and simply press on your toes to get you up, and hold it there as you keep pushing into the ground. You're pushing the ground away. This means your triceps are heavily engaged, your hands are supporting you, but you're not putting a dead weight behind or above your hands. You're engaging every muscle in your arms. You're stabilizing your scapula or your shoulder blades. Everything is doing its main job. Your lower ab, lower back, middle ab, upper portion of your middle back, your diaphragm, everything is doing its main part, holding on to their main task while the glutes and your legs, front and back, are doing their move. It's like a concert where everyone's playing their musical instrument, only the spotlight is on the pianist. So this time the spotlight is on the glutes and the front and the back of your leg muscles as you're really pushing into the ground with your toes. Once again, you're going to be in the quadruped. I've done another video on that. You're going to be pushing into your toes, keeping everything nice and strong, and up. And you hold it. This is how we build strength in the right muscles, in the right regions, as the rest of the body supports that move. This is fundamental. You don't need to go to a gym, grab that kettlebell or dumbbell or band or who knows what else to strengthen muscles, to initiate proper movement with everything we do. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my podcast, Life and Health Matters with Dr. Shaki. Check out my website. Everything is in the description box below. And thanks for watching. Take care.